What is Talk to Your Unborn Baby? Garbha Samvad.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi mommies, I Dr Anita Chaudhary will tell you what Garbha Sanskar and what Garbha Samvad is. What is Garbh Samvad? Basically, it is talking to your baby. In India, we had a very ancient system called Garbha Sanskar, and that is basically instilling values in your unborn child. We think we will teach the child after it is born, but no, the baby starts learning when in the womb. And as mothers, we can start teaching our baby right from the beginning. After the conception, the baby starts receiving things and even hears and starts responding to that. And when you talk to your baby, how you have to go about it, that is what I will be telling you today. Why is Garbha Samvad done? All of you would have heard the story of Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, Abhimanyu, Arjun was telling a story to Subhadra, his wife, about Chakravyuh. So that was the time when Arjun told how to enter the Chakravyuh, and the mother went on to sleep. So Abhimanyu knew how to enter the Chakravyuh and he did not know how to come out. And that was the reason which led to the death of Abhimanyu in the war. So it is so important. This is not that important that this is how the story goes. What is important is the baby was actually listening in the womb. That is important. That is the signal. That is the story that is teaching us this. Now 80% of brain development is happening in the womb. Just imagine one-celled ova, one-celled sperm, fertilization is happening, all the multiplication is happening, and brain is one structure which is actually sculpting itself during the pregnancy, during the womb time. And research has proved that in the womb, the baby can hear and respond to so many things, including your emotions. In the early pregnancy, the baby can start hearing. By 20 weeks, the baby can hear everything and even recognize the mother's voice. And the father's voice, if the father is talking regularly, by 23 to 24 weeks, the baby can even recognize his father's voice. So, hearing in the womb has been confirmed by research, by ultrasound pictures. There are so many videos which have confirmed this. Then, when the mother is talking to the baby, there is a very special bond, and there is a hormone called oxytocin which increases while doing that. The happiness index will increase, the mother will become positive, and the same emotions go to the baby. So, this hormone oxytocin will cause happiness in the mother and in the baby both. Then how is this Garbha Samvad done? Very simple. These are all very simple things which we always did for generations. Just sit in a cool, calm, comfortable place. Just sit down very comfortably. You can sit with a backrest, you can sit on a chair, you can sit on the bed, you can sit on the ground, fold your legs the way you want to. What is important is body wise you must be comfortable. Then just close your eyes, sit comfortably, breathe in and slowly breathe out. Do this a number of times till your body actually settles down and your breath also becomes rhythmic. In this, what is important is your mind should be very calm. Keep your hands on your abdomen and talk to the baby with that feeling. Just visualize the kind of baby that you want. Whatever you want your baby to be, this is the time when you can visualize and make your baby whatever you want your baby to be. So this is very important, that what thoughts you are having will actually impact your baby's thoughts and he will become what you want him to become. When can Garbha Samvad be started? Garbha Samvad can be started as early as possible. Once your pregnancy is confirmed, remember the unborn child is a live human being developing. It is not an object. So you can start as soon as your pregnancy is confirmed. But because the baby starts growing, learning languages at a much later stage, so don't feel that you have missed out in the beginning so you can't do it later on. So any time is the best time. So whenever you want to start it. because it will build that special bond between you and your baby. You will also feel good and the baby will also enjoy that time. Now, what are the things to be kept in mind during Garbha Samvad? Every word has a very deep impact on the conscious and subconscious mind of your baby. And this is the time when the mind is developing. 80% of mind is developing inside, in the womb. So this is the time when the baby is aware, and you have to be very, very aware about what kind of words you are using. Positive words, happy words, nothing negative, no sadness should reach your baby consciously. Subconsciously, our environment is definitely affecting us, but consciously, when you're doing Garbh Samvad, you have to be aware about these things. I believe in one formula: be and make. Whatever you want your child to be, first you have to become that. That is so important. And positivity in the present tense, that is nothing but affirmations. So do affirmations. Tell your baby you love the baby. Tell your baby the whole world loves him, right? So at night, the mother and father, both of them can do this. Tell the baby he's a peaceful, loving soul and everybody loves him. And all are waiting for him to come on this planet in our arms. And what is the purpose of this baby coming on this planet? What are the benefits of Garbha Samvad? Anything that we do, we're always looking out for benefits. So, number one, physically, mentally, socially, and spiritually, our baby is going to develop, and the feelings in mother are also going to change, and even she will be connected on these four fronts. 2. Mother and baby have a very strong emotional bond when they're talking to each other. All the hormones, all the emotions are directly impacting your baby. Remember, you are the baby's world. So whatever you're feeding your baby, whatever emotions, whatever words you're talking are directly impacting your baby. 3. The mother also becomes positive and happy along with the baby. Because when she's sitting, she's visualizing, she's talking to the baby, she's spending time with the baby. So she also feels very, very good and happy. And research has proved that happy hormones like oxytocin increases when you're doing these things. And this hormone can even reduce the chances of genetic diseases in the baby later on in life. There are so many diseases which start at this stage. So by simply loving your baby, talking to the baby at this time can reduce this. And by talking to the baby, it can even reduce stress in the mother. Now, when can you do this? In the morning, that is the best time. You get up, you're nice and fresh, and you have absolutely no thoughts. So you can just sit anywhere, close your eyes, breathe in and talk to your baby right away. Then in the afternoon, when you are done with your household chores, you're taking a break, in the afternoon also you can spend some time with your baby. And at night, it is best if both the mother and father can do it together. So that will keep even the husband involved in the baby's growth. So Garbh Samvad is something so important, and it is so beautiful, and it is so easy to connect with your baby. So start this process right now. Thank you and Namaste.